Hey, so in this video we are going to be doing a house tour. So we have been in this house for just over 3 years now, and yeah, it's a renovation project. Most of the work we are doing ourselves, so obviously it takes a bit of time, obviously trying to do it in a free time, and also we've had 2 babies whilst we've been living here. So if you want to check out my video from when we moved in, I'll link that up here. I have looked back on the video and actually we have made a reasonable amount of progress, although it is a little bit slow. But then when you're doing the work yourself and you've got 2 youngsters, it is going to be a little bit slow sometimes, and obviously working as well. So let's get into the tour and we'll go from there. We'll start you off in the hallway. Really, it hasn't changed since the 1 year update. We've still got part of the ceiling removed because we've had to do a rewire. The rear wire is nearly there. We've still got the upstairs light circuit to be wired in, but the cables have been run for that. And then once that's done, I think we can get this all made good. We removed all the carpets upstairs not long after we moved in. We took out all this under here. There was like a cupboard which you couldn't, no, actually there was 2 cupboards under here. One which we accessed from like that side, and then there was another smaller one here, but we took it all out because we just needed easy access to it. I've put a rail up here for all the coats and stuff, and then into the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. I feel like progress is slow in here. So we moved in and within about 6 months I think we started working here, but now we're 2.5 years on and we're still not finished. But we have made a little bit of progress since my last house tour, which was 2 years ago. So yeah, all the ceiling has been filled in because there was there was originally a wall here, the dining room was here, and then over here there was like a toilet come shower room, and then like a utility room thing. So yeah, we've just opened it all up and stuff and moved the kitchen. But yeah, it's getting there. We've vaulted the ceiling, so this has all been vaulted. Eventually we are going to have skylights put in, and we're going to get probably not bifolds, but sliding doors that go all the way across here eventually. But obviously that's going to be quite a big cost because we'll need to have a steel put in across. But yeah, we're getting there. We've still got a lot of plastering to do. All the floors been levelled in here as well, ready for reclaimed parquet to go down. So that is one of our big projects at the moment, is getting the parquet flooring scraped and ready to be laid. There's still lots to do in here, lots and lots to do in this room. And then into the lounge, which again hasn't really changed. Yeah, not much changed in here. We kind of decorated it not long after we moved in. I'll just show you this. So this is the pile of parquet that we are reclaiming, and we're having to scrape all the bitumen off the back ready for lay-in. So I think we've done 1 ton bag, but yeah, we've got 3 ton bags of this. So yeah, there's quite a lot of it, but we are going to do the whole of downstairs, and we're going to lay it in like a herringbone style. And we have got a mix of woods as well. So one's teak, I believe, and then the other one's oak. So yeah, we have quite a nice variation in it. Right, so and then I'll take you into the utility. Let there be light. So yeah, obviously this is a working room, but I am planning to redesign this room. It's never been finished properly. How I've designed it originally, it just doesn't work. I need storage for washing. I hate the washing being set up on the side, so the plan is to stack the washing machine and tumble dryer, and then have a base unit next to it for all the laundry to be put into, so it is sorted so I can sort it ready for it to go in the washing machine. Having 2 youngsters, we create a lot of washing, and I have figured out that if I don't do a load a day, I get behind. But yeah, we're going to just completely redesign this room and make it hopefully work for us a little bit better. And then I'll just let you have a look outside. So outside hasn't really changed. We've got a fixed gazebo in the garden now. It is March, so it needs tidying up. So hopefully that's the plan this weekend, is to get the cover on the gazebo, get the sofas laid out, get the patio jet washed, etc. Actually, having said that, we have put in some flower beds down this side and on that side as well. Right, so let me take you upstairs. So we're going to our room. This room hasn't really changed. Although having said that, it has changed because we have sockets that work up here, which we didn't in the last video that I looked at. We have got holes in the ceiling ready for downlighters to go in, and we've got a cable coming through the ceiling ready for a pendant light to go in. Yeah, we've got a next to me because our little youngest is 5 months, so she's still in our room. Got cables running down for the light switch to go in as well. And that's the other thing that I did do. I painted this wall and this wall gold. And then this room is probably the one that's changed the most and is probably the most finished. No room is completely finished in this house. So this is the girls' room. I did do a nursery update not so long ago. It's probably the most finished and the one that has probably changed the most in the last 18 months, I'd say. And then this is the office. Excuse the mess because I've got a pile of stuff that we need to sell, pile of stuff to charity, and a pile of stuff that needs to go back in the loft. Hoping to get this room done whilst I'm on maternity leave. I don't feel like there'll be a huge amount to be done in here. So we'll go into the studio next. So this is my next project room, is to get this room done. I did have a cutting table here in the middle, which I've sold. We're going to get this room decorated and looking good, and I'm going to share the plans with us in a video coming up. And then into the bathroom. We did get rid of the shower door. We had a glass shower door here and it just kept leaking, so we got rid of that and just put a shower curtain, which actually I prefer. It makes the room feel a lot softer. But yeah, not a huge amount of change in here. That is a tour of our house. If you want to see what it looked like when we moved in and also a year after we were here, and then do check out these videos here, and I will see you again in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe.